So one of the things we teach in our detailing classes is how to dry sand by hand, how to dry sand by machine. And one of the techniques that I've been using for years and I share in all my classes is called the rule of thumb. And the reason I call it the rule of thumb because I use my thumbnail distance to measure and to guide me as to how far to stay away from raised body lines and edges. And the reason I call it the rule of thumb because wherever I go, I take my thumb with me, so I can always have it with me to measure. But here's what I mean. So here's an edge where this hood opens up. It's a clamshell hood. And if I want to stay about a thumbnail distance away and I'm standing here because I can't bring a spinning wool pad like this, if I come down here and try to pull the sanding marks out, I risk burning through the edges. So I call it the rule of thumb. Stay about a thumbnail distance away from all edges or raised body lines, and that'll keep you from burning through people's paint jobs.